Hi, welcome to Axel Learning Smart Math Challenge series. In this series, we will explore challenging math questions and see if we can beat the clock and get the answer in under 10 seconds. First, we will show you the problem of the day. Next, we will try to solve the problem using the standard method, also known as the boring method. Then, we will explore AI responses like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini to see how they can solve these questions. And lastly, we will show you a faster and smarter way to solve the question without using a calculator or an AI. Stay tuned till the end how we can solve the problem in less than 10 seconds. So, here's the problem. $2,000 at 5% compound interest after 4 years will become A. $2,235, B. $2,378, C. $2,431, D. $2,586, E. $2,601. Let's see how most people solve this kind of problem, the boring method. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you want to solve it first before we do. So, the boring method, the new principal is equal to P times 1 plus R raised to the power of n. Example, 2,000 times 1 plus 0.05 raised to 4 equals 2,000 times 0.05 raised to 4 equals 2,000 times 1.2155, which is equal to $2,431. And the answer is letter C. Estimated time to arrive at the answer is 75 seconds. Not too bad. Now for the fun part to see if AI is smart enough to solve this correctly. We'll first start with ChatGPT and then we'll do the same with Google's Gemini. Here we are in ChatGPT. Let's paste the question and see. Again, remember our answer was option C, $2,431. Let's see how ChatGPT solves the problem. Alright, once it found the formula, it already substituted the values and calculated and gave us the correct answer, letter C, $2,431. Good job! Now let's try this in Google's Gemini. We'll paste the same question and see. Again, remember the answer was option C, $2,431. Let's see if Gemini can answer the question faster than ChatGPT, and it already did. The answer is $2,431, letter C. Wow, AI is definitely amazing. As I had promised, let's see the fastest and smartest way to solve this question without the use of a calculator or an AI. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you have a faster and smarter way to solve this question and beat the clock. So, here's the smart way. Again, the answer is option C. Simplify the simple interest over 4 years as follows. 0.05 times 4 times 2,000 equals 400. Hence, the new principal becomes 2,000 plus 400 equals 2,400. We also know that compound interest in this case will be greater than simple interest, and also since the rate of interest is just 5% for only 4 years, the interest difference between compound and simple will not be large. Hence, the answer should be greater than $2,400 but close to it. The only option that satisfies this condition is $2,431. Hence, the answer is option C. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer is 15 seconds. That was 5 seconds over than 10 seconds, but that was faster than the boring method, considering we didn't use an AI and a calculator. All just our intelligent minds. Drop in a comment to share if you have an even better and faster way to solve this question. Like and subscribe to this channel for more such videos or visit us at www.axellearning.com. Thank you and stay tuned for the next one.